Hello, this is Eki from ET Music, and I teach piano and voice lessons. If you could hit that like button and that subscribe button, it would be much appreciated. You can also find my Facebook page link down in the description for finding out more about piano and voice lessons online.
Subscribe to the ET Music channel.
Alright, welcome to ET Music. This is Eki. I just wanted to make a quick video about the musical alphabet and what that looked like on the piano. If you see on the piano, you have two different color keys, the black keys and the white keys, all the way to the left. So it starts on A, and the next letter is B, C, D, E, F, G. The musical alphabet ends on G, so it starts all over. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, all the way up. You can use these patterns that they put here of the black keys. And you'll notice, starting with this group here, it goes from 2, 3, 2, 3. And it all alternates all the way to the top. This one here looks like it's by itself, and it is, but it's actually the third of the group of 3 black keys. And now, a quick message from my favorite student. Nepotism is alive and well. My son, Mosiah Taula, say hi.
Hi.
He's going to show us. We look for what?
2 black keys.
Very good.
And then go to the left.
Very good.
You can find middle C.
That's
It's
right.
closest to the middle.
That's right. Now, we found C. So how do we find the beginning of our alphabet?
We can do A, B, C.
That's right.
So A, B, C, D, E, F, G. A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
Very good.
They repeat every time.
Every time after what letter?
G.
Very good. And that's our musical alphabet. Thank you. Say
Check
lucky.
out the ET Music Facebook page. Subscribe to the ET Music channel.